DNS, or Domain Name System, is like the phonebook of the internet. It translates human-readable domain names like example.com into machine-readable IP addresses like 192.0.2.1 that computers use to identify each other on the network. Here's a simplified breakdown of how DNS works. Request initiation. When you type a domain name into your web browser or click on a link, your device initiates a DNS lookup to find the corresponding IP address. Local DNS Cache Check. First, your device checks its local DNS cache to see if it already has the IP address for the requested domain stored. If it finds a match, it can skip the rest of the DNS resolution process and use the cached IP address directly. Recursive DNS Server. If the IP address is not found in the local cache, your device sends a query to a recursive DNS server. This server may be operated by your internet service provider, ISP, a third-party DNS provider like Google DNS or Cloudflare, or it could be a DNS server configured by your organization. Root DNS servers. If the recursive DNS server doesn't have the IP address in its cache, it starts the resolution process by querying root DNS servers. These servers are the starting point for DNS resolution and maintain information about the authoritative DNS servers for each top-level domain, like .com, net, .org. Top-level domain, TLD. DNS servers. The root DNS servers direct the recursive DNS server to the appropriate top-level domain, TLD DNS servers, based on the domain name's extension, e.g., .com or .org. The TLD DNS servers maintain information about the authoritative DNS servers for the second-level domains within their TLD. Authoritative DNS servers. The recursive DNS server queries the authoritative DNS servers identified by the TLD servers for the specific domain name. These authoritative servers hold the most up-to-date information about the domain's IP address. Response: once the authoritative DNS servers provide the IP address, the recursive DNS server caches the information and sends the response back to your device. Your device then uses the IP address to establish a connection to the desired website or service. Overall, DNS is a crucial component of the internet infrastructure that enables users to access websites and services using human-readable domain names. It works seamlessly behind the scenes to translate domain names into IP addresses, facilitating communication between devices on the internet.